A very good morning, all of you. We have completed personal pronouns, then reflexive or emphatic pronouns. Okay, now let's see today the demonstrative pronouns. These demonstrative pronouns we have already familiar with this all these that these that those these are the demonstrative pronouns. Okay, so let's see. Not the following things about the uses of demonstrative pronouns. First, the words these, that, these and those are classed as demonstrative pronouns. A. This is used for the person or thing nearer to speaker or listener. The plural of this is these, T-H-E-S-E. This is a pen, these are pens. This is a singular and these it's a plural. That is used for the person or thing far from the speaker or listener. Okay, the plural of that is those. That is a ball, those are balls. Okay, so these are the singular and these are the plural. These are nearer and these are far. Okay, ये singular है और nearer है और ये प्लूरल है और नियर है, ये सिंगुलर है और फार और ये प्लूरल है और ये फार. We have already familiar with these pronouns these and that and those. Okay, so now these and those are used as demonstrative pronoun, do not refer to people. Remember these and those. These and those used as demonstrative pronouns do not refer to people. Okay, we can use these are, this is Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, like that. These, okay, and that is Anav or that is Anav and his friend. Okay, for singular plural both we are using that and these and that. Okay, for the people. Remember. Now, number 2. Not the different uses of demonstrative pronouns. This is my new car. Subject of the verb is. First use it as a subject. This is my new car. Then I don't want this. I want that. So I don't want this and I don't want that. Object of the verb want. ये भी object है और want का और ये भी object. Okay, so first is for the subject. As a subject हम demonstrative pronoun use कर सकते हैं. Then object also. Then what I am going to tell you is this. So this is a complement of the verb is. Complementary के भी हम use कर सकते हैं. Then we were sitting there talking about this and that. So these and that. About it's a preposition. So prepositional objects. Okay, both are the object but after preposition. Then, okay, so we have understood these two topics. Okay, 2 points. First is singular and plural. Okay, nearer and far. Then these and those are never used for the people. Okay, these and those used as demonstrative pronoun do not refer to people. Okay, then now let's see the number 3. Wait a minute, okay? I scroll it. Okay, number 3rd one is in what questions the demonstrative pronouns refer to things. What is this? What is that? Okay, so in what questions the demonstrative pronouns refer to things only. Okay, what is this and that? What are these and those? Okay, in who question the demonstrative pronoun these and that refers to people. Who is this? Okay, but what के साथ आएगा तो things ही होगा और who के साथ आएगा तो persons होगा. Who is that? Who is this? Okay, refer to a people. As who is this? Who is that? Okay, clear? First point is singular and plural. Okay, far and near. Then second point is as a subject, as an object, as a complement or a prepositional. Okay, after a preposition. Then the third point is in what and who. In what it is referred to as non-living things, and who for the people or persons. Then number 4, when we want to introduce people, we can use these, this, not these and those. This is Geeta. Geeta is a girl name and it is a singular. Then here, this is Miss Gupta. So it is also a singular. Okay, this is Miss Gupta. And remember, we can use these for more than one people also. Okay, first हमने ये देखा कि it is a singular, but for the people while we are introducing the people, so we can use these for more than one people also. Like this is Mr. and Mrs. Gupta. This is Mr. So here are the two persons, means it is they. So it is a plural, but we can use these for while we are introducing the people. Okay, so remember that point. It is new for us. This is singular. Okay, we are using singular helping verb is. So this is Mr. and Mrs. Gupta. Okay, now number 5, and it's very simple. The demonstrative pronoun those can refer to people if it is followed by a definiting relative clauses. Okay, अगर कोई clause होगा तो हम these those use कर सकते हैं. Okay, we have already known about the clauses. Those who want a copy of this report, so it is our clause, who want a copy of this report must sign their names on this list. So those who want a copy of this report, it is our clause. That's why we are using those. Okay, the demonstrative pronoun those can refer to people if it is followed by a definiting relative clauses as. Okay, those who want a copy of this report must sign their names on this list. Okay, so let's see the exercise. It is very simple. If it is a singular, then we are using a these and that, these and these, and if it is a plural, then we are using that and those. Okay, now let's see the exercise. I will give you the only 2 answers. Rest of all you will have to solve it. Here the first one is dash is the dog. Dash is the dog we adopted last week. So this is the dog. Okay, then dash are some difficult questions. So these are, it is a plural. Okay, these are some difficult questions. So rest of all you will have to solve it. Just think about the singular and plural, nearer or far. It is very easy exercise. I hope you will do it so well. So it is enough for today. Thank you very much and have a good day.